To find out if your address is in one of our drone delivery service areas, you'll first want to download the free Wing drone delivery app that's available on the App Store or Google Play. Once you open the app, you'll enter your information and it will verify whether or not you are in one of our service areas. From there, you can begin browsing the different local businesses we deliver for and adding items to your cart. Simply click into the merchant stores to see what types of products the merchants have available for purchase. Once you have all your items in your cart and before you complete checkout, the app will prompt you to set up your delivery zone. A delivery zone is the specific location on your property where our drone will deliver your package. Once you've confirmed your delivery zone and confirmed that it's clear of any obstructions, you can place your order and it will be delivered to you within minutes. Drone delivery is a new concept for most people and we've been getting a lot of great questions. So we encourage you to keep the questions coming in the comments below and check out the Wing drone delivery app on the App Store and Google Play. And of course, be sure to follow us along here to stay up to date on the latest with Wing.